Here's a quick look at the LasGoo laser level. Real easy to operate. Just place on a level surface or tripod and click the power button to start it. We see that it is not level right now. And there is an amber light that tells us that. Now move the slider on the side from stop to play, and the auto leveling is engaged. And we also see that the light is now green instead of amber. Just for kicks, I checked it with a bubble level and, well, it's level. Do note that if the laser level is placed more than 4 degrees from horizontal, the auto leveling function will not work and the amber light will be on and the lines would flash. And here's an overview of the remote. The H button toggles the horizontal line. The V1 button toggles one of the vertical lines. And V2 toggles the other vertical line. And finally, the bars icon controls the brightness. Nice and convenient.